Take payments using just a phone. Tap to Pay on iPhone and Android for Shopify POS is here. No extra hardware required. Use your supported device to securely accept contactless cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and digital wallets. Setup is incredibly fast. On iPhone, open your Shopify POS settings, select Payments, tap to activate, and link your Apple ID. You're ready to sell in seconds. On Android, it's just as seamless. If you have a compatible device and you're signed in to Shopify POS, Tap to Pay is automatically ready to use. Remember, supported devices matter. You'll need an iPhone XS or newer, or a compatible Android device with NFC enabled. The checkout experience is completely native. Build your cart, select Tap to Pay, and your customer simply holds their contactless card or device near your phone. Payment is approved securely in seconds. Retailers love it because it means faster setup, less hardware, and total flexibility to check out customers anywhere on the floor. And as your business grows, you can manage everything centrally. Your Shopify admin tracks exactly which store locations are ready for Tap to Pay. Phone POS, payment, Tap to Pay on iPhone and Android for Shopify POS.